Hi, I'm Phil, Product Manager for DEWALT. Today we're going to discuss the DCG430 Atomic 20 volt max 3-inch cutoff tool. Engineered for the user, the DCG430 delivers robust performance, precision, and enhanced safety. Take on demanding applications with 665 max watts out and 20,000 RPM no-load speed. The lock-off paddle switch is designed for comfortable, controlled operation and helps prevent unintended startups. Despite its compact size, the DCG430 provides exceptional cutting power, exceeding the capabilities of traditional pneumatic tools by up to 78%. Its ergonomic, lightweight design enables comfortable handling and precise control, even in the most restricted applications without the need for hoses or cords. Wheel changes are expedited with the spindle lock mechanism, eliminating the need for multiple wrenches. The adjustable guard allows for rapid repositioning across 11 positions, optimizing both safety and visibility for a wide range of applications. Tool-free adjustments enable efficient transitions between straight, angled, and confined cuts. Seamlessly switch directions with the forward-reverse switch, allowing control of spark direction. Operator safety is paramount. Upon releasing the trigger, the DCG430's integrated brake swiftly halts the wheel in less than 1 second, reducing the risk of accidental injury. In the event of a bind-up or stall, DEWALT's anti-rotation system quickly stops the wheel when a pinch, stall, or bind-up event is sensed, reducing reactionary torque. To resume operation, simply reset the switch. This tool is ready for use at height, with a bare and kitted unit available as lanyard-ready compatible. For advanced job site management, this tool is also DEWALT Tool Connect chip-ready. The Atomic 20 volt max 3-inch cutoff tool, where size meets power.